Hello everyone. Now from this tutorial I am going to teach the 3D modeling tools. Out of this, the first tool I am going to teach is that box. The box command creates a 3D solid box. So first let us see what is a box. A box is defined by the length, width and height. Three-dimensional one. You can see in the here as of now only x and y is there, only two dimensional. So to create we need to go for the southwest isometric or southeast isometric or northeast or northwest isometric. So right now I'm going to the southwest isometric. Yeah, now you can see the origin icon. X, Y represents the length and width respectively. Always the Z axis represents the height of the solid. Okay, now box, I'm clicking on box, otherwise the shortcut is box command. Enter, specify first corner or center. So first let us go with the corner. You can see guys, this is the corner of the box. So that's why just I am pressing corner and then specify other corner or cube or length. So just you can press here and then drag it. You formed a box. Suppose if you want to make it with perfect dimensions, we can go for box, enter. So again specify first corner and now switch on the ortho, length. Under the length I am taking as 100, width as 50 and height as 30. See, perfectly we made a box of 100, 50 and 30. Okay, now suppose now instead of this one I want an angular box. This is right now 90 degrees. Suppose if I want to create a 30 degrees inclined box, so that's why box. Okay, for the sake of I am just drawing a reference line here, you can understand. Okay, box, specify first corner. Now I am switching on the length, switch off the ortho. Okay, now you can see length as well as angle also displaying. As I said, angle, now I pressed tab, now I am giving 30 degrees angle. Box, specify first corner. Okay, length, switch off the ortho. Okay, 100 length, tab, 30 degrees, enter. Now the width is 50, height is 30. See, the same box but it forms in an inclined way. That's the difference between the length and the normal one. So once again, box, specify first corner. Instead of length, now I am going with the cube. Okay, a cube will always will have the same dimensions. If I press 50, automatically length 50, width 50, height 50. Okay, now box, specify first corner. Now again I am going with the length. Okay, 100, width 50 and now specify height or 2 point. Generally for the height I press 30, automatically it gives the 30 height. What is 2 point? So just see, I am clicking the 2 point. A 2 point defines always, suppose this is the first point of the height and this is the second point of the height. If this is the first point and this is the second point, suppose if I am click the first point is this one, second point is this one, automatically the height of this box will takes from this dimension. Okay, right now this is 30, now this is the height of 50. Suppose you just draw a line of 60 mm. Now box, specify first corner, length 100, tab 50, enter. Now instead of mentioning 60 height, I am just clicking 2 point, first point, second point. See, automatically according to this length of the line, the dimension forms here. And now finally box, enter. Instead of corner, if I press center, what is center? You can see that the center of the box is the geometrical center, where all the diagonals of the box will meet is called the geometrical center. Whatever the dimension we are giving, it forms from this center. You can see now, specify. Now I am clicking the center, just to specify the center of the box. See, from the center, now length is 100, tab 50. If you see, the height is forming two sides instead of only one side, two sides, because we are forming from the center. Now the height is 60. See, from this center, 30 above, 30 below. So this is all about the box. Right now you are seeing it in the 2D wireframe. If you want to see it in the shades of gray, you can see the shades of gray, shaded, realistic. See, now you can see very clearly. So this is how we can draw the 3D solid box in the 3D modeling layout.